Mind that this fell in the back of my truck, and before then it sat for, I think I said 2.5 years, something like that, and it fell on this side. So I venture to guess that side will be cleaner than this. But yeah, it was tilted over or fell over in the back of the truck and sat like that for 8 hours. So yeah, I imagine this side was gonna look pretty rough. So this side is next, and then we'll flip it over, take the pan off, see what she looks like. So far though, this thing has been sealed pretty well. Didn't seem like it leaked, but there's like just smudge and crap everywhere. So let's see. All right, as you can see, we got everything torn down. We got the oil pan, we got both heads, we got the intake manifold, we got power steering pump, water pump, alternator, carburetor, intake, distributor, flex plate, Moroso valve covers. We've got it all. Like I said before, this, I think it was on this side, is where the engine like tilted over on in the back of my truck, so that side is understandably dirty. This side, the only issue I think I have is right here. That's a little rough. So I don't know. I already wanted to get a new oil pan. Got a new cam already, so I think I'm going to take this to a machine shop, get it hot tanked, see what we can see if everything's good to go. and then kind of go from there. But yeah, I got everything apart. Also got my got everything in here. I got new rockers, or I got new rockers. Yeah, these push rods might work for the new cam. Um, yeah, I'm gonna end up getting new hardware though, because these have seen better days. I kept everything though just for thread pitch and length sake. So could never be too cautious, even to the exhaust or bolts. So yeah, gonna label all of that. Gonna probably vapor home that intake if I don't go with a new one. And I already got a electric water pump, so probably not gonna use that one at all. And probably end up doing new valve covers. So yeah, but this is a 010 block. Supposedly has high nickel content, so, or high zinc content. Sorry. So I don't know. That's supposed to be a good thing. So, but yeah, when we take this cam out, this crank out, gonna see what everything's looking like, and also once it goes to the machine shop with this issue, we're really gonna see what we're gonna do. Like, is this gonna be full out rebuild, or are we gonna get away with just hot taking it? It's good to go. Do a little hone in there, get that crosshatch, and slap maybe new pistons, new rods. I don't know. Sky's the limit at this point. But that's where we left off there. So, all right, y'all, take it easy. It's your boy PA. You not leaving the shop. Peace.